Sonny T with Sonny K. We are back at it. Let's get it. We're on one of our favorite creeks, but we're on a different stretch of it. We've never been on this stretch at all, so hopefully we can get at it, get some good ones, get some big ones, get some good old big ones and some big old good ones. Let's get it.
So I'll be fishing with the woolly worm again. It's just a different color variety.
Yep, I am. Got a little Rio. Got a dinky Rio. Oh, it's not too small. Yeah, it's a nice size one. And what are we fishing with, Sonny K? Well, we fishing with the trusty, reliable Mips spin fly. They getting it? Yeah. Get them, girl. Bluegill. Yeah. Little dinky bluegill, but it's something. Wow, he ate it. Little bluegill, y'all. Oh, just barely there. Look at him, he buried himself in a rock. Let's see if he swim himself out. He might be dead now, shucks. He got stuck in a rock. There he goes. Got himself out. Another bluegill. Well, you can get it out. There we go. Over here to the side. Yeah, you were right. Red long ear. Nice little long ear. You can pitch too, you know. Oh well.
A little bitty one. I don't know. A little sunfish. Now let's see if I can get the hook out of his mouth. Oh man, buddy. I got you pretty good. There you go. Little bitty guy. Got one? Nice. Something big.
This one's huge. It's a big catfish.
You want me to get the net?
Yeah. Look at the size of that catfish. He ate it too, Jack.
Wow.
Yeah. Sonny K is the only one who can catch big fish.
Just depends on the day.
Huh?
It just depends on the day.
Yeah.
Come here, baby. Nice. He's a long one.
Yeah, he's not fat, but he sure is long.
I bet he goes past your stick.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, absolutely. I would think so. You get him off of me? Guess I need to get a boga grip.
There you go, buddy. Way to go, Papa.
Yeah. Not going nowhere now, sucker.
Nice fish. Hold him out for your camera.
Nice fish. Cat daddy. Let's let him go. There he goes. There he goes. He was long and skinny.
Nice little Rio.
That is a nice Rio.
It's a colorful little thing.
I missed it. Kinda got it. This D called a Rio. Nice little juvenile, not even a juvenile, young adult Rio. Yeah, he's really colorful. Very photogenic. It's got a little red striping on him too. Very cool. That's it. That's the spot, Cassandra. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's like I got plenty of fight left in me. Caught him out of this little hole that's left of Culebra Creek right here, Sunny people. Sunny T and Sunny K back at it. We went to one creek, did okay, but nothing spectacular. We went to another creek and like almost skunked. If Miss D hadn't come in and rescued us with a nice little, photogenic Rio, real nice pretty Rio, then we would have got skunked at that creek. We're on another creek, and hopefully this is one of our, break glass creeks that we know is pretty good. I'm pretty sure we're going to be pretty good over here, because the part that we're going to fish, we haven't fished in probably a month time or more since it's rained. So let's get to it, Sunny people. Let's go.
Yeah, baby. Nice little baby. Nice little baby.
Yeah, little greenie. Typically the sunfish with the bigger mouths are green sunfish.
Oh, crap.
Yeah.
Yep, he made it back to the water. Oh, man.
I hope yours is working. You got him?
I do, but it's over the tree.
You're over the tree? How the hell you do that?
Not on purpose. All right.
That's a nice real glass. No, that's a big old long one. The size of that long one. Good, nice.
Hold on, little fishy. Need an assist here. There we go. Nice little fish there. Right there, baby. Woo!
That's real? That's a big green. Big old green. You recording, right?
Yeah.
Here. Throw this filter on. Just don't drop it this time.
He got some stuff in his mouth. Y'all see that?
Got it. It's like plant debris. That's kind of weird.
Hold them up nice. There we go. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Goodbye, fishy.
Little greenie. Not a bad greenie. These creek greenies have no give up. They don't care. We got it. All right, Sunny people. Sunny K and I, we're gonna head on home. We had our hour of fun time. We caught a few. The bite has been kind of on and off on the spinner baits, so we're going to try some other presentations for fall. Get ready for it. Y'all, you know, keep on the lookout for it because we're going to change things up a little bit. All right, Sunny people, y'all have a sunny day. Thank y'all for joining us. See y'all